Many creators wonder why their YouTube video don't get enough views, even though they work hard on every upload. The truth is, sometimes the problem is not in the videos themselves, but in the overall setup of the channel. There are a few hidden issues that quietly limits your reach and stop your video from getting recommended in the YouTube platform. And today I'm going to walk you through 6 of them so that you can fix them in the right way. The first big mistake is weak channel branding. When a channel doesn't have a clear identity, that is, no recognizable logo, no consistent banner, or no style that matches from video to video, new visitors find it hard to remember you. So, strong branding makes your channel look trustworthy and professional. So, you are expected to use same color theme, fonts, visual tones across your banner, thumbnail, and even inside your video. Viewers should be able to spot your content instantly just from the look of it, even before reading your title. Another problem is having no niche focus, which is perhaps one of the most important problems. Uploading random topics every week. That is, one video about food, the next video about technology, and then about travel. It confuses both your audience and the YouTube's recommendation system. So the algorithm doesn't know who to show your content to. So your reach will stay low. So friends, you are expected to pick one main niche that you truly enjoy and stay consistent with. Over time, you will attract the right audiences who will expect and love your style of video. Next comes the issue of too many inactive subscribers. You might have thousands of subscribers, but if they rarely watch your new uploads, the YouTube gets wrong signal. The platform tests every new video with your subscriber first. If most of them don't click on your video, YouTube assumes the video is not interesting to your subscribers, and it won't push it further to another people. Another thing that hurts visibility of your video is not having a channel trailer. When someone visits your page for the first time, they should immediately understand what your channel is about and why they should subscribe to your channel. A short, that is 30 to 60-second trailer that highlights your content type, your upload schedule, and your personality helps convert casual visitors into loyal subscribers. Many creators also underestimate the power of their about page. Leaving it empty or too generic is a big mistake. YouTube and even the Google use that text on that page to understand your channel's focus. If it is missing keywords like your niche, topics, your region, you may lose potential search visibility. So my friends, you are expected to write a short, clear description that explains who you are, what your channel offers, and include your main keywords naturally. Add links to your social pages or websites so that people can connect with you elsewhere. And finally, one of the biggest silent killer of the channel growth is ignoring analytics. Your YouTube studio contains valuable data to you, your click-through rate, your audience retention, and your traffic sources. But many creators look at them. These numbers in the YouTube studio tell you exactly what is working and what is not working in your channel. Maybe one thumbnail might have high click-through rate, or maybe viewers stop watching after the first 1 minute. You are expected to use this information to improve your future video uploads. YouTube rewards creators who learn from their data and who keep improving in their channel. So friends, build a strong brand identity, stay consistent in your niche, reactivate your subscribers, create a clear channel trailer, optimize your about page with the right keywords, and regularly study your analytics. Fixing these all problems can completely change how the YouTube promotes your content. Thank you friends. If you find this video helpful, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with other creators who might be struggling with the same problem.